Hey, good morning, guys. Scott from PA Woods and Water out here, okay? And today I'm doing something different. I am out here trying to fish the cicadas. And for 6 months, we've been hearing about cicadas, BROOD X coming. Well, they're down here in the southern part of PA. I don't think they're in the central or the northern part. And I haven't seen any videos on it. I haven't heard a peep out of anyone other than my son. My son was out on the Cicada last weekend and going for smallmouth. All he used was cicadas, and he just killed them out there on cicadas. So I know they're out there, and he did well on them out there. Now, whether they took them for cicadas or not, I don't know. But the cicadas are here. And look at it, it is raining. I got to put my hood up. Okay. The cicadas are here in my area of PA. The sound is almost deafening around my house. So I just came to a local stream and seeing, you know, how if the fish are onto them or not. Now, I did see a bunch of cicadas on the ground on the path as I was walking in, so I know they're here. I don't hear them as much today because there's rain today, and there's not a lot of like, even when I came out of my house today on my deck to walk my dogs, I didn't hear them as much as I usually do, and maybe the rain shuts them down for a little bit, I don't know. But they're here, and and they've been here for over a week, so the fish should be onto them. So I am using my small rod because, let me show you, this creek here is tight and small, and there's no room for 8.5, 9 foot dry fly fishing. You can definitely nymph it with that size rod or bigger, but you can't dry fly fish it very comfortably with 8.5, 9 foot rod. So I got my 7.5 foot Echo Boost, 7.5 foot. It's fast action with my Echo reel. There is my cicada pattern. Okay, hopefully that fools them. Okay, and I'm gonna make some adjustments to this cicada fly here. I'm gonna color it up a little bit different on the bottom because it's all orange on the bottom. I want to make it striped black and orange, so I got some markers on me, so I'm going to color it up on the bottom, and then we're going to go out for them. Okay, so I'm using, this is a big fly, you know, these are like size 8 hook or 6 hooks, and heavy fly. So off of my nymphing furled leader, which I treated with floating before it got wet, I'm using about 2 foot of 2X and about 3 foot of 4X. So 4X is my tippet today with this big fly. So let me color up this bug, get you back on, and show you my first couple casts. Okay, thank you, be right back. Yeah, let me show you what I did, guys, with the marker. Okay, so that's what I did. I striped it. It was all orange on the bottom, but I made stripes in it. Picked up a couple of the cicadas and looked them over real good, and they have more of a barred bottom, so I just put those black stripes over top of the orange foam. Okay, so I'm gonna do a downstream presentation first before I walk upstream. I might have spooked some of the, I came in about 20 yards up there because there's no entrance right here. I had to walk down long, so hopefully I didn't spook any of the fish here, but I'm gonna do a downstream presentation here, and let's see what happens. Boom. Man, that thing looks huge, man. Like a tugboat. Nice. Thank God this is foam, because I would have no shot of keeping this thing dry. I would have no shot keeping it dry if it was made out of fur. Oh, got him. Look at that. Oh, he got off. Ah, that was a little wild one. Boom. Dang. Man, it came up and took it. There you go. Well, we had our first take. Had our first fishy on. So this pattern's a little hard for those little guys to hold on to. Let's try this little pocket right here. Oh, God, that's a nice fish. Nicer fish. Look at that. On the cicada, look at this. He's on the, I got him He was on that stick. There's a nice fish. Nice fishy. I mean, for a little wild brownie. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Awesome. There's our second one. We only started 5 minutes ago. How about that? And on the cicadas. Big cicada sticking out of his mouth. That little pocket up there. Oh my gosh. He's good 10, 11 inches. Nice. Okay. You get him out. Hey guys, I'm staying back, further away from the bank. I'll try to get a cast in it. The current's up against that bank and swings around that wood pile. So let's see if I can get a drift. I mean, a cast over there. Boom, that's it. Right into that wood pile. Right into that wood pile. Man, that is just perfect. I can't believe that didn't catch anything. Boom. Oh, there he goes. That's a decent fish. I think that's a stocky rainbow. I don't know. There you go, man. Look at that, look at that. Cicadas. Is it? Oh no, it's brownie. Another one about 10, 11 inches. Ooh, beautiful. Beautiful. Wow, brownie, look at that. There's par marks on him. Jeez. There you go. Let's be careful with them. Beautiful. Okay. Let's take a look at this fly. Okay. I got another one. I only had 2 of them, so better last me. Back in this upper pocket. Boom. Oh, oh man, he whacked it. There you go. Oh, hit it again. It's a little guy, but it's a trout. Boom. Ah. We got this big rock up here we're going to try to put it next to. Boom. Come down. Oh, that was, oh, look at that. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. He came up and I missed him. I felt him tug for a little bit. Oh my gosh, was that awesome. It was a big mouth. That was a big fish. That was a big fish. Oh my gosh. I am probably a good 6, 7 yards away from the creek. I am not getting on top of them fish. Don't want to spook them. So when you're dry fly fishing little creeks like this, you hopefully are or a stream where you have room, or you're gonna have to cast things up pretty far for them. But if you can't, you got to get off to the side, because you're gonna spook those fish either with foot vibration or they're gonna see you. Oh, there he goes. Oh, missed him. Damn, that was a nicer one. That was about 8, 9 incher. Golly, these fish are coming up. Why are they missing it? Boom. I didn't sting him. Oh. Man, we're definitely having action. That was just good top off. There we go. Oh, jeez, that was a bigger fish. Man. Oh, man. Let me check the hook. Maybe it's exposed too much or something. I don't know. Ah, see? It might have ripped down. It is exposed pretty much. Look at that. Jeez, I gotta fix that if I can. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, but what I did, see now the back of the hook is laying against the bottom of the body more. It's not sticking out as much. It's more flush. What I did was I got some 4X tippet, tied it around the body and the back of the hook and pulled the body down to the hook because that's on a curved hook. So that's what I did. So that should help. I just used 4X tippet and, you know, we'll see. See if this guy will hit again out here. I don't think he will, but we'll try. Boom. No. Man, that big boy. Ah, nope. Oh, there we go. Oh, he came up for it. But he didn't take it. Yep, he came up for it. Jeez. Wow, wow. Now, a fish who's not onto us yet, he'll take it more aggressively. That guy took it kind of soft. Okay. Boom. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. There he goes. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Like I said, he'll take it aggressively, this guy. Nice brownie. Nice wild brownie. Look at that boy. Come here. Oh, come here. Let's get him. Oh, good 11 inches. That's a stock brownie. Well, okay. Ooh. That was awesome. Number 3. Ah, man. Bunch of other hits. This is fun. Boom. Wow, not even a hit? I'm surprised. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Not even a hit. There you go. There you go. Yeah, nice little wild brownie. Okay. Oh, he dropped. Man, we missed a number of them. Ooh, my fly is falling apart. But, oh well. It's working. It's working. Look at that thing. Threads all coming undone. Oh well. Okay, let's move on our way up. I think it's number 4 or 5. But got a run on this side and a run on that side. Let's throw it down each one. Boom. Oh, there he goes. Oh, man, missed him. Oh. Man, there he goes. There he goes. There he goes. He hit again. Decent fish. Decent fishies. Decent fishies. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, yeah, man. Look at his belly. Look at that belly. crayfish in there. There's definitely a cicada in there. Okay, so let's see if there's one down that side. Got some teeny little pockets here, but I don't even know if I can get a good enough drift through them. Oh, geez, I got him. Look at that. I don't even know if I can get a good enough drift through them. I mean, there he got off. It was like 9 inches. That was like right there. I mean, that's like, that pocket's like 2 foot. A 2 foot pocket, man. There you go. I'll count him as being caught. I was just dangling him above the water trying to grab him. That was funny. Guys, another teeny little pocket right here behind this brush. We'll see. And if that brush wasn't there, I'd have a nice pocket. Oh, God, you see him come up? Hey, I can't believe it. Oh, there he goes. Oh, man, that was a nice fit. Boom. Okay, guys, I would bet $100 there's going to be a fish in there. I'm not betting anything that I'll catch him, but I'm just betting there's a fish in there. I don't know how to even get a good cast in there. Oh my gosh, let's see. Oh, that's not bad. It's on the outside edge though. Oh, got him. Oh, he got off. Oh. Let's try the far side. Oh, there he goes. Little guy. Little guy. Now, if this little guy can catch, I can catch him. Little brownie. How come I can't get the big ones? Oh my God. Their bellies are just stuffed. And he's about, I don't know, 7 inches. But man, his belly, he's got a bunch of cicadas in there. You know it. Okay. Hey guys. Another little run, but the stick is here. Oh, we'll try it. What the heck? What do we got to lose? Boom. That floated nice and slow. Oh, there he goes. Oh, he got him off. Nice fish too. Oh my gosh. I let it float down right along that branch. He came real slow out. He grabbed it slow. And he got off. Oh my gosh. I had him on really about 2-3 seconds, but I didn't set the hook hard on him. There he goes. Yay. Boy, it's about time. Like I said, I missed at least 20 fish before I got this guy. At least 20. Fat. Oh, there he goes. Oh, jeez. Missed him. Right there. Nice. Oh, got him. Oh, got off. Oh my gosh. Jiggling that one down there. Oh jeez. I can't believe. So many fish. Oh, jeez. He just came up for it while I turned my head. Are you kidding me? There he goes. 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 Teeny little pocket. Oh, nicer fish too. Get you in the net here. Oh. Come here. Okay. A rainbow. Yeah, still some rainbows left in here. Oh, let's see that. Okay. I don't know if my camera was turned. I don't know. Oh, he ruined my fly. Okay, nice 12-inch rainbow. That was fun. Here's a real cicada. Tell you what, it's not that much. Orange and black, orange and black, orange and black. He's got a lot more legs, orange and black legs. I don't know why those legs are like that. The wings, eyes. Oh, my eyes are gone. My eyes are gone. But that's what they see from the bottom, orange and black. So, okay guys, I've got to do another video, a part 2. So, or day 2, I should say. I'm going to go do a day 2. This was day 1. I fished for about 3 hours. I guess I fished from like 8 to 11. Okay. Picked up, I don't know, 8 or 9 maybe that I landed. But I am telling you, I am not lying. I have had 30 plus fish at least come up and look at it, hit it, miss it, me miss them, or I stung them, or I had them on for a second or two and they got off. So I got to think of a different pattern. Today's a Friday. I got to work over the weekend. So day 2 is going to be probably on Monday, as long as everything's okay with the water and stuff, and the conditions are okay to fish. But there's going to be a day 2 here. I'm going to come back with a different pattern and try these guys again. The fish are on the cicadas. Man, flies flying around here. So they're on them, and there is a ton of fish left in here. A lot of native brownies in here, and golly, flies. And so we'll be back with day 2, okay? So stay tuned, okay? Thanks, bye. Okay guys, let's try this far edge. Yeah, it's coming out of the, hard to get a good drift here. Boom. Oh, got him, yay, okay. One took the cicada. One took the cicada. Cool. Yeah, man. Nice fishy, nice fishy, nice fishy. Okay. How about that? Nice brownie. Okay. Awesome, man. Good 11, 12-incher. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come here. Nice wild brownie. Look at that. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. See ya, buddy. Okay, let's get up a little higher. Get up a little higher. Higher, higher, higher. Boom. Nope. Okay, we're gonna go up a little higher again. Even more higher. Boom. Boom. Oh, got him. Ha 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 ha, that was cool. Right up against that. That was cool. That was cool. Got you, stinker. That was pretty cool. I think it's a rainbow. Yep, that's okay. Oh, yes. Ah, nice 11, 12 incher. Oh my gosh, can you believe that? Okay. Okay, got 2 runs here. Left side, far right side. Let's try the left side first. Oh, came up and whacked it. These fish can't get in their mouth. Come on. There he goes. Got that one. Okay. The one I missed, but that one I got in the fast, fast water. Yay! Yay! Hey, man. Oh, look at that. That's a nice 11, 12 incher. Woohoo! Is that awesome or what? Yeah. They got a little rock ledge there. Let's see what we can do with this baby. Boom. Oh, look at that. Oh, there he goes. Oh, I had him. That was a little brownie. He came back and hit it twice. He missed it. Oh, golly. Oh. So let's see. Fish just rose down here. There he goes. There he. I think that's a chub. I'll tell you what. He's gonna make the video. If a chub can get it in his mouth. Now that one up there, I could see he was a little orangey. So that was a crick chub. But he's gonna make the video. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. There he goes. It looks like a big chub though. But it could be a trout. No, it's a big chub. Boy, the chubs are gonna make the video. I gotta. Okay, big crick chub. Okay. Woo. Hey, I'll take it. I'll take it. Teeny little pocket here. Oh, got him. Oh, ah, he's in there. Decent. I think he just missed it. I don't know if he turned away, but let's try it again. Boom. Oh. Man, he was in there. Ah. There we go. Oh, came up again. Got a pocket right here and a pocket up there. So you're just going for pockets. It's not even a run, just a pocket. Boom. Oh, there he goes. 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 I think that's a trout. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Okay, nice little wild brownie. Oh, look at that. Woo-hoo. Nice little fat belly on him. Ha ha. Okay. Yeah, man. This 15-yard section is the last hole of my cicada video. This is it. So let's see what we can do here. Let's try to get one more trout right up against. There he goes. Got him. Look at that. One more trout. Oh, I hope it. Oh, now he got off. Oh, well, that was pretty cool, though. Ah. Boom. He came up from the depths. Ah, he jumped up and spit the hook. But that was kind of classic. That was classic. He looked like he was like 11, 12-inch brownie. That was awesome. How'd you like that? Okay, guys. This is the end of my cicada video. I have tried 4 different days to go out, and my only really real luck was the first day. I'm looking down here now because I'm looking at a cicada on, there's blueberries. No, not blueberries, raspberries. And I'm picking the raspberries to eat them. And I see the cicada here, and I want to show you something. Look at him going up. There he is, see him? Oh, come on. There he is. Okay, so there's the cicada. And here's my cicada I was using. Now, okay, facing the other way. No, not that bad. Pretty close. Mine's actually a little smaller. But what's happening, what I found out was, toss that out there. The cicadas, last week they were just starting on the water. They've been around for about 2 weeks, but I don't think they were on the water. And I'm eating the raspberries. And they were new to the fish. And last week, the first day I went out, banged them and missed a ton of them. They were just hitting every stamp, every hole, every run, their fish were just all over them. And then the following Monday, I didn't catch a single fish. And there was tons and tons of them on the water. A minute didn't go by before there was a live one coming down, and the live ones weren't getting eaten. This is 3 days after. This was like a Friday I fished it first, did great. Then Saturday and Sunday I worked, and then Monday I went out again. They weren't touching them at all. They were, I think the fish were just fat and happy sitting on the bottom with big bellies. So I went out again this morning on another stream. I picked up one, but there was no cicadas over on that area of the woods. That was like 15 miles from my house, and none. There was no cicadas over there, none on the water. The fish, I think, looked at that, my cicada, like it was a big bass popper. I mean, it was just huge. And so I'm going on the other side of this and picking some more berries while I'm talking to you. So I came back over to the stream that I was originally did well on, and again, nothing. Tons of cicadas on the side of the creek, dead in big oh, that's not a good one. In big like back eddies. There was hundreds and hundreds of cicadas there. Fish could have had their you know, just could have sat there and just ate them all. But the fish were not on them. And I worked a good 1/4 mile of stream, beautiful water, did not touch them. So there's some more raspberry. And well, so much for the cicadas of 2021. I think I can wait 17 more years before they come back. I wasn't too impressed by them. Said I had the one good day of them. I'm more impressed by the sound of them in the background. Now I'll be quiet. And you hear that whistling, buzzing, buzzing sound. There are millions and millions of them here around here. Oh, that raspberry went down the wrong pipe. And yeah, I think I mean, later on, a month from now, the fish should be nice and fat and happy. Maybe they all grew an inch or so from eating all these cicadas. And but they were really only on them that one day. So you know, I hope you guys liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And like I said, we have to wait 17 more years till they come around again. But I'm not too impressed. I like fishing ants and crickets better. Have much better results. Look at all these raspberries I'm going to eat right now. So I'm going to let you guys go. And like I said, if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you again. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.